that money, taking that bank, taking them coins, taking that check, taking that money, taking that bank. Tell me where you slide to. When the life gets high, who you try when the rent due? Tell me who you ride to. When your chips get low, who you drive to, cry to. Tell me where the base at. Where the folks with the bag, with the cash in the case at. Tell me where the wealth at. I'ma try to stuff that. Tell me cause I want it bad. Show me dollar signs. See the funds, I wanna see the bankroll. Take me to the stash, take me to the bars, hand me all the paper. Show me that investment plan, how you making gains in the awkward lands. Show me all the big boy bands, how you flipping houses with beachfront sand. Show me all the compound boys, money making money, new day, new brands. Tell me where that wealth at, I'ma try to milk that. Tell me cause I want it bad. Be your main chick, I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting married. She can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar signs. Be your main chick, I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting married. She can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar signs. Be your main chick, I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting married. She can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar signs. Be your main chick, I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting married. She can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to.
Good morning, guys. So, good things are happening today. I don't want to walk around everywhere, so I'm going to show you guys. I have a lot of things. Every single thing I'm about to show you was gifted to me by my best friend. So at this point, she basically furnished my living room. Okay, so as you can see, let me walk around. I said I wasn't, here I am. So if you remember a couple of my vlogs, you probably have seen these sticks. And now they're here. So these are just books in here in this wagon, and then the rest of the sticks. I know you can't really see, but this vase here, I have two more in the corner over there, and this is a couch. And these are, so I like these lighter chairs. I'm probably gonna have it in the office or one in my room. One of them is gonna be like when I sit to do my makeup. We have island chairs. They're a little too tall for the island, so I could just have it shaved down, but I really like them. They're comfortable. My other friend gifted me those. Like, I have great friends. They just keep gifting me stuff. there's this table. Everything that I can link, because I know where things are since it was gifted to me. And I didn't like buy them. It was just, they were gifts. This I think is from Target. So it's two of these. I think these chairs were either from Wayfair or Overstock. One of those. The couch is from IKEA. That's the table I was telling you guys about. That is two of it. And another branch stick over there. Everything is gonna come together. The pillows that go with the couch. The other table right now, that's gonna serve as my little wine, my wine bar station. And we're just about to get this living room together. It's about to come together. Oh, and I'm a new plant mama. Okay, I have to treat it and water and move it away from the window because it doesn't need that much sunlight. It will burn. And then just trim like off the parts that are like saying bye-bye. And then this too, I had to take off the other ones, like in the bunch, they were like dead. And it's just this little part that's thriving. So I just watered it. We'll give it about a week or two. We'll start seeing it sprout and grow. So that is actually what I'm about to work on for the next couple of hours.
Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you I commit a crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you second planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you I commit a crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you second planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you I commit a crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you second planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you I commit a crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you second planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you I commit a crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you second planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you I commit a crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. your favorite. Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite? Taking all your secrets, getting mad, bitch. We can take over the globe. I got your back inside your throat. Take me to the sky. Show me dollar sign. Show me. Can I be your main chick? I can be the one you taking planes with. Can I be your sidekick? Be the one you out committing crime with. Can I be your favorite?
So now this is what the living space is looking like. This is a great color, this cloth or this couch cover that's on there, and as you can see on there, this is the one that was previously on it. It is like a nice baby pink, and it's just clean laundry at this point, and that I'm gonna put away. And I'm probably not gonna use that for a while because the next covers I want to order, there's this thing I have right now in my brain with emerald green. So if I can find the texture of emerald green I want, I'm gonna get the covers for that, or it'll just be black velvet that I get and get an emerald green couch. I really want that pop of color in this apartment. That's what I really want. I really do. That specific green. So kitchen is doing what it's doing there, and this is what it looks like so far. So there's still this space back here that I'll probably get a round table. I'm not sure yet, because this is gonna go against the wall further. I was doing something with it yesterday. My friend, when she comes back from vacation, she'll probably take those sticks because I got the extra for her. So there's a lot of space here. So I need to figure it out, because I think I want to do a gallery wall on this wall or this wall. I'm not sure yet. And I definitely know I want something here because our home is going to be home of game nights and house parties. Not crazy house parties, but just like get-togethers. So I want a table where, like, if we're playing games and things like that, we don't want to go to the rooftop, we can be here. And I'm still holding out on, I'm going to get a rug. I know I'm going to get a rug. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm fine without one, but it doesn't hurt to have one either. But I'm holding out on a coffee table because there are specific coffee tables that I want, and I don't know, like the table we have now and eating on the island is fine. I already know the books I want on here and like the kind of decor, but it's specific places that I see the coffee table I want, and it's one, too expensive because I've also seen them on Facebook Marketplace, but it's never the shape I want. So until then, I can wait. It's not dire. This is what I mean. Like when I want something, if it's not right in the moment, I'm not gonna force myself to buy it just because it's available. If it's not what I want, then I'm gonna wait. If it's like one of a kind and once it's gone, then maybe. But other than that, I like plenty of other things. I don't have to, tie myself down to one thing. There are two of these chairs. I know I mentioned this. And this table here is also two of this. So this is from Target. Two of those. I have the other one here. It's not gonna be on there long, but I plan to grow new babies and I'm so happy. They're just like growing. It's because I've been watering it. Like, this is new, she's new compared to this dying one, which I need to take care of. I want to replant it in that gold bucket over there or something bigger and just get new food for the plants. Like, these were like, I could feel the difference between this one and this. Like, this, just the hydration is crazy. And because it's new and I'm happy. It was in that thing over there that I'm just probably gonna use as a decor piece. I think. I'm not sure yet. I always change my mind every time something else pops in my mind. But I definitely want this pot, or this plant to be in a bigger pot, like deeper, because these, I think they're sitting on the edge, so they're sprouting down, and I want them to be up. So that's basically it, y'all. Yeah, this was the cloth that came out that I was telling you about. I like how soft it is. It's a very different texture than the gray one. The gray one has like more of a gritty texture, and I really love that. I really like that. If I can find more colors in this texture, I would like that a lot. Like I said, missing coffee table. I feel like the last thing I'll probably get for the living space might be a rug, because I want to see how everything comes together first. And yeah, so this is how I'm going to close out the vlog. The kitchen is neat, but it's a mess on this side because every time I clean it, I always put a mess. And I went to an event yesterday. I'll unpack and do all that stuff in the next vlog. And I'm just making lunch, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.